Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar, How to Help Employees Get Started Using Bitrix24 Tools and Training. I'm thrilled to know that so many ambitious entrepreneurs and business leaders here today. Each of you are like a captain of your own ship, navigating through the stormy waters of modern business. And today we're going to talk about how to make your career more effective with Bitrix24. You've probably heard a lot about CRM systems. Some say it's a panacea for all business ills. Others claim it's just another way to spend money. But let's be honest, the real question is not whether to use it, but how to make it work for you. Today we will not just look at the tools, we will understand how to turn Bitrix24 into a powerful assistant in managing the team. We'll talk about practical things, how to organize work so that employees don't just learn the system, but fall in love with it. I remember when I first introduced CRM into one of our businesses, it was just like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. But then I realized that the secret is not only the system itself, but how we present it to the team. And today I will share these secrets to you. We will look at simple ways to get your team excited about new tools, hidden features that will make your work a pleasure, proven training methods that really work, and we will put our hands on Bitrix24 tools and watch screen sharing live. No boring theory, only practical advice so that you can apply tomorrow. And of course, you will have time for questions. After all, your experience is valuable too. So let's make your business more efficient together, shall we? Okay. Let me share my screen and show you the presentation. Here it is. And I would like to say a few words about myself. I'm a project manager with over 12 years of experience in international business relations. I hold 2 degrees in economics and linguistics, which gives me a unique perspective on global business operations. I'm the author of the book International B2B Sales Practical Tips, where I share my expertise with cross-border sales. In my professional journey, I strongly believe in building strong relationships based on mutual respect and open communication. Outside of work, I stay passionate about sports, music, and reading. These interests help me maintain a balanced lifestyle and bring fresh insights into business approach. Okay. About our company, about InformUnity. I'm delighted to introduce you InformUnity, a company with 18 years history in the industry and an honored partner, gold partner of Bitrix24. Our strength lies in an exceptional team of 50 professionals, including developers, business analysts, telephony experts, and IT engineers. At InformUnity, we understand that every business is unique. That's why we offer a full spectrum of services tailored to your specific needs. First and foremost, we simply simplify the Bitrix24 licensing process, ensuring that you get the perfect option for your business. Our experts can train and empower your team to master Bitrix24, unlocking its full potential. We specialize in seamlessly integrating CRM and telephony systems, chatbots, and other tools, revolutionizing your communication and customer management. Our optimization experts will fine-tune your business processes, making them more efficient and effective. We can customize on-premise Bitrix24 to fit your precise requirements and integrate it with your existing systems, creating a cohesive workflow. Our development team crafts applications for Bitrix24, enhancing its functionality to meet your unique challenges. We're excited about the prospect of collaborating with you and contributing your business success. Okay. What other problems people can face without the CRM? Yeah, this is important. not only have Bitrix24, but also use it correctly. And please write into the comments, what is your situation? Everything is fine, you're learning Bitrix24, or it's a complete chaos. Be interesting to know. Today, I want to talk about a problem that affects all of us here. We have a powerful tool at our fingertips, Bitrix24, designed to make our work more efficient and organized, but it seems that many of us not using it to its full potential. Let's look at the consequences not using it. First, we have poor time management without the CRM. Without it, we spend more time searching for information, duplicating efforts, and missing deadlines. Waste precious minutes and hours that could be better spent on productive work. Okay. These tools like booking is not used. Later on, I will screen share and show how to use it. Second, there is a poor task management without Bitrix24. Project management software, so tasks fall through the cracks, deadlines are missed, and team members are left in the dark about their responsibilities. This leads to confusion, delays, and ultimately a drop in productivity. Third, we have chaotic communications with customers. Without using the CRM, customer interactions are scattered across emails, private phone calls, and notes. Important details are missed, follow-ups are forgotten, and customer satisfaction suffers. I will show today how to improve this. Fourth, there is a poor sales control. Without tracking sales in Bitrix24, we lose visibility into the sales pipeline. Opportunities slip away, deals stall, and revenue suffers. Fifth, the data storage is not optimal. You may lose crucial information if you do not store important data in the right place. It can be scattered around, and files end up somewhere outside of your team reach. So it's a high time to change this situation. That's why we're here. Bitrix24 is not just another tool, it's a solution to these problems. It helps us manage our time better, keep track of tasks, communicate with customers efficiently, control sales, and manage your knowledge base. So let's start using Bitrix24 today properly. Let's make our work more efficient, our communication clearer, and our results better. Here's what we should do. It would be interesting to know what problem you may face currently. Please write it into the comments and we will later on think of it. Okay, so what we should do. First, integrating the following tools. Calendar. I will later on speak on how to train your team in other steps, but let's put our hands on the tools of Bitrix24. And I would like to screen share my test Bitrix24 and let's see the calendar. What's in here? Let's create a test meeting and see how easy it is to create and collaborate. We can invite our colleagues here one by one, or we can invite departments like this, all in place. Then we see who is busy and who is free, and we can drag and drop it. When I'm red, this time is locked and busy. When it's empty, then it's free. Okay. What we can do with this event, we can comment on it and do some nice Bitrix24 actions like start a video call, post it to the feed, or create a task right from the calendar event. Okay. One of the most important things here is that I can connect Calendar to some other places like Google Calendar, iCloud, Office 365. Streamline your work by connecting calendars Of course, we use smartphones today, and it will be easier to get all the notifications there. And Bitrix24 offers its mobile application as well, so you can work in Bitrix24 right on a smartphone. Okay. Then we can use the open slots, which is a nice feature if you create meetings with someone outside of your company, or you have a busy schedule. You can try open slots. It means that I just set up my work days and time when I work, and then I copy link and send it. It works like Calendly. So people, when they get this link, they choose the desirable slots and put their meeting there. And you got a new meeting in your calendar, and the person got a meeting in his own calendar. Very easy to collaborate and choose the convenient time. Okay, let's go back to the presentation and see what's in there. Tasks. Well, one of the most powerful tools in Bitrix is the project management tool. And it goes here in tasks and projects. I can create a test project here. Very easy to do this. Then I choose who will be together with me working on this project. So, and next it's created. Now I can create a task. Task helps you to manage your productivity. And here I would like to do something useful. So I will later on speak on how to create a learning course. And I would like to ask AI to help me. So let's ask our AI copilot to build a learning course for employees, how to start using Bitrix24. Yeah. So while it thinks, I will tell about it. So Copilot is a AI feature in Bitrix. It's built into the system, and we can talk to it and ask him to help. So basic outline course. Let's see. First, Bitrix24 overview, then communication tools, collaboration. Yeah, we will definitely use this. We'll definitely use this later on. So now I set who will be assignee and the deadline for the task, which is the most important one. Then I have some other additional fields. I will not use them now, not to complicate this for new users, but still it's a powerful tool that you will later on use. Okay, so the task is created. Okay, let's go to the next point. What we should do here is structure our communications. Yeah, let's go to the contact center and see how can Bitrix24 help us here. And I would like to say that Bitrix24 can be connected to many different communications points like social networks, online chats, emails, and so on. You may see it on the screen that so many things can be connected to one place, and it helps business to keep the KPI on a high level, keep the standards of the communications on a high level, so that you keep track and you monitor the quality of your service. Let's dive in and see an example. I connected the live chat here, and on our website we have a web form to start chatting with us, and we will try it now and see. So this is the test website, and I can start this chat, and This is the power of Bitrix24, and we as integrator created an AI application. It's asking me for some details, and then we put our phone number, and let me just add this information, and we see that actually consultant is answering. What is consultant? Consultant is an AI application that we created for Bitrix24, and it uses the GPT power to help your communications with customers. So what is consultant GPT? Um, these applications can you can take your database with knowledge and upload it to this chatbot, and it will use this information to help your chats with customers. I have other separate video where I explain how it works, but the idea is that this is a powered application created by us that can assist and or fully replace first line customer service agents. So yeah, that's great. I think that it explains and helped me to explain what it is even better than I do. Just grab this text, you can read it and see what it is. So let's go back to Bitrix24, and yeah, as an agent, I see this chat is created, and now I see that consultant is answering, and I can connect to this chat and continue the service for customers. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next topic here. Is setting up CRM. Yeah, of course. If the CRM is not properly configured, then you may face some problems. So let's go to the CRM, and first of all, thing I would like to do is configure the pipeline, right? And I go to deals and see. I will open one of the examples, the car sales business, and this is the pipeline. It has some steps. You may imagine that this is a car sales business, so probably you do some qualification, that you getting requirements from the customer, then you create a quote, sign a contract, you got the payment, and then you deliver the car. So your business is probably different, so you can configure it easily. You can add or edit the steps, delete the steps, and this is how it works. So I got deals, so I can drag and drop them here, and let's look at the deal, what it has inside. So you got the tabs of the pipeline, and on the left side some static information, like what is the car, what is the color of the car, what is the year of the car, something like this. You can imagine that in your business the fields will be different, and you can as easily configure these fields, create a new one, a list, or address, whatever. And on the right side you have some we call it activity field, where you got all the communications with customer, the history of the communications, and you can do the quick actions like sending WhatsApp message, sending text messages, creating meetings, and so on. Very powerful tool. Okay, and one of the other things I would like to tell you today is the automation, because it's not used by the new users, so you can help them to do this. You push this robot sign and you go to automation. As an example, I created this event. I would like to send some notification. So the idea is here that once your deal hits this stage, getting a requirement, the person, the supervisor, is notified immediately. So let's do this. Let's try it. So I put this one, and I got the notification. Let's see. Yeah, you got a new deal. So when it was on the first step, it wasn't so interesting for me as a supervisor. When it hit some stage, then I think that, well, that's good. I got a new important deal. I will look at it. Yeah. So you got an idea that you can have lots of other automation tools here. Let's look at the examples. You can have customer notification, automated, employee alerts. You can do some paperwork like signing documents automatically. You can do some payments work, delivery, creating reports, and so on. Yeah, you may think of it, how you can do this. And of course, we as integrators, we can help you to analyze your business and build very nice automation. I will tell you more about this today. So let's go back to our presentation. And the next thing is the right storage of the information. Bitrix24 offers a wide range of tools how to manage it. And first one is Drive. You can create folders here. You can create files for the cloud version. Of course, all of it is stored in the cloud. And one of the great things here is that you can share it. You can share it inside your company, or you can share it outside of your company as well. Configure the access rights, like just looking at it, or files, or editing it. Yeah. And of course, you can create documents in the drive. These folders are divided into projects as well. So yeah, let's see the documents, online documents they call it. And we can create doc format document or Excel sheet right in Bitrix24. And we can create presentation. And soon I believe we will get one more. It's like dashboards. Okay, so yeah, easily edit with and collaborate on these files. You can invite your colleagues and do the editing together. Just like Google Documents, but inside Bitrix24. Of course, it's better administrated this because when the person leaves your company, everything will stay here inside Bitrix. Okay, so another one great thing is the knowledge base in Bitrix24. It's a good practice to store your knowledge base inside this system. Let's have a look at this example. Let me open it. And what I see is just like a web site built inside Bitrix24. We got a number of views. We can edit this article. We can search in the knowledge base, and we have posts here. And it's very easy to create a new page in the knowledge base. It has a web editor built in Bitrix24. So I don't know you don't have to know the developing a language or web programming. So just use this web editor to create and tailor your own web pages in the knowledge base. So later on, you will be able to address it and share with your colleagues so they know where I can get the information about their business. And yeah, so great to have it in the system. It takes some time to load it because I believe that this page is a big one, so that's why it takes that much time. Okay. So the first step here is internal learning and adaptation. We need to create a structured training program that covers all the essential features of Bitrix24, and this includes such main points as I told you: Bitrix24 calendar, then tasks and project management, contact center and open channels, CRM itself, and storage capabilities in Bitrix24. Yeah, I got some page that is not that big, and yeah, now I can edit it. So I can add blocks, I can add text, change it. So as you see, the editor is very simple and it's nice to use it. Okay. Yeah. So the first key step here is internal learning and adaptation. Please arrange this learning process for employees. Plan how to teach them, then develop some regulation rules that should not be broken, and set a responsible person for teaching new employees. Of course, you can ask us as integrator to help you with this. We will be engaged and teach your employees the best practices of Bitrix24. Then the setup of this area itself. And let's compare if you set up it yourself and ask us as integrators to help you. The speed is of course faster if experienced integrator is involved. Quality is of course better if integrator is involved, because we know the best tools of Bitrix24. Understanding, of course, it's great that you know your own business, but we work together with you and we help you to realize what's really important when it comes to Bitrix24. Automation. It may be hard to configure automation, triggers, analytics by yourself. So definitely with integrator, it works very efficiently. External integrations. Well, conflicts and errors are possible if you do it yourself, but when you ask us to do this, we do the precise configuration without any accidents. Employee resistance. Well, team may not understand the CRM and refuse to use it, but when you ask professionals, we inject it correctly with all the support and technical support and development. We work 24/7 and help on accidents, and we got a team of developers who can do all the support and development of the CRM. Of course, when you do it yourself, it's cheaper, but when you ask experienced integrator, it's more price efficient. We don't waste our time on learning it, but we know how to make the CRM start working efficiently right away. Okay, so the third key step is a sustainable updating and check-in progress. We need consistently monitor how our employees are using Bitrix24 and provide ongoing support. This includes regular check-ins to see how employees are adapting, providing additional training if needed, celebrating successes, and awarding and sharing best practices. By the way, we can provide a clear support with our innovative application. Please address us if you want to know more about this ultimate Bitrix24 support service. Helping your employees get along with Bitrix24 requires a structured approach that includes proper training, expert setup, and continuous support. By following these three key steps, we can ensure that our team and your team is fully equipped to leverage the power of Bitrix24 for maximum productivity and success. Well, please write the corresponding digit in the comments, and you can just write a comment so how you make your employees work with this era. Whether you do some observe of mistakes, or you conduct one-to-one meetings, or you choose mentors that create reports and monitor the situation. The most important rule here is that the CRM, the technology, should help employees to work, but not complicate it. So technologies are for people, but not the vice versa. And keep the team spirits high. By the way, this is the photo of our team. Okay, so if you want a free consultation, please take this QR code and please address us. We will help you with Bitrix24. What to do if the CRM is not configured properly? You can conduct an audit in the CRM. We can ask us as integrators to have a look what is wrong, what functions are not convenient. Maybe something slows you down. Maybe something freezes, and one of the mistakes is that CRM is blank, it's not configured at all, and the other one, on the other hand, it has too many automation and it's like a mess. Then you optimize your CRM. Yeah. I want to share with you a fascinating case study about how InformUnity helped Nutrition Pro from the Czech Republic, a fast-growing startup that delivers ready meals. When I first met Nutrition Pro, they were facing some serious challenges. Their deals were scattered, and there was a lack of automation, and analytics were vague. This was hindering their growth and preventing them from scaling their operations. We knew we had to act fast and implement comprehensive solution. We started by analytic sessions, followed by configured pipelines in Bitrix24, which allowed us to streamline their sales processes and ensure that no deals fell through the cracks. Then we automated their processes, which significantly reduced the time and effort required to manage their operations. But we didn't stop there. We also developed custom reports that provided Nutrition Pro with valuable insights into their business. And to top it all, we integrated their CRM with an ERP, creating a seamless flow of information between the systems. The results were remarkable. Nutrition Pro stopped losing deals, increased their efficiency in handing orders, and gained better control with reports. This newfound efficiency allowed them to expand their reach and conquer new markets in neighboring countries. So this case study is a good example of how the right technology solutions can help a business to overcome its challenges and achieve its goals. And in InformUnity, we are proud to have played a part in Nutrition Pro's success story. If you'd like the same, please grab this QR code and let's meet. Okay, so and the third step here is to remove unnecessary actions and apply better control. Automate your routine, monitor employee activity, and limit chaos in the data. Frequently asked questions. How long does it take to implement CRM? Well, it depends on the case. If it's a big project, it may take a couple of weeks. But if it's an ordinary injection and it's some new fresh start, then we can start in one day. Is it possible to switch from another CRM to Bitrix24? Yeah, sure. And by the way, we can help to do this. We got our own Excel import application. And so we can import all the data from another CRM to Bitrix24. We've got such cases. Of course, it will start working. How can I avoid losing customers when switching to a new CRM? Well, it's a good thing that you configure everything properly and you train your employees. If the transition process is smooth enough, then you won't lose any customers, but you will gain them. Is it possible to integrate Bitrix24 with other services? Yes, it's possible. You can integrate cloud Bitrix24 or on-premise Bitrix24 with external systems. Please address us as integrators, and will provide consultation on this. Okay, please, this is our gift for you today. Please take this QR code for our first analytical meeting. Yep. Fill in this form and we'll be with you helping your business. And one more gift for you is our new Consultant GPT application, which I showed today with 200 free units at the start. Please take it by the link. Thank you. Okay. So we're finishing our today's webinar, and I hope you liked the information. We appreciate your time. Before we finish, I have a small favor. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see our new videos there. Please push a thumbs up sign for us. Thank you for joining us, and we want to give you more information in the future. Have a great day and bye.